How to create ads in Meta Business Suite. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can create ads in Meta Business Suite. Creating ads in Meta Business Suite can help you reach your target audience across platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. And here is how to go about it. The first step is to access Meta Business Suite on your desktop. And then once you've done that, the next thing to do is to navigate to ads by moving to the left side of the screen. At the left side of the screen, you'll see a sidebar displaying options like home, notifications, inbox, content, planner, ads. Just go ahead and click on ads, and then you wait for the ads page to load. So you can see you are ready to create your first ad and all of that. Then you can decide to click on get started, or you can move to the top right corner and click on create ad. Then you wait for the page to load. Then you can see publish your page. Okay, now for you to be able to run ads, the first step or the thing you must have done earlier on is to ensure that your page has been published. So if your page has not been published, ensure you click on publish now, and then you'll be taken to the next step. Now you can see choose a goal. Yeah, to create an ad, you must choose a goal. Why exactly do you want to run this ad? Do you want to get more website visitors? Do you want to promote your page? Do you want more messages? Do you want to get started with automated ads? All right, so for me, I would select get more website visitors, and then you wait for the page to load as well. So once that's loaded, you will be brought to the page where you would see a non-discretion policy. So ensure you read through it, and then if you've accepted it, then click on I accept, and then now you can now go ahead with your ad creation process. On this page, you can see you can decide to change your goal, all right, or you can leave it the way it is. And the next thing to do is to add your ad creative. So how do you want your ad to look? Save time on creating ad content by turning one of your best performing posts into an ad, or you can decide to use a post, all right. You can decide to use a post as your ad, and also you can just add it. You have to add a description to the post that explains the value of what you are promoting in the ad. Then once you've done that, go ahead and add the ad description, then add a medium, add a valid URL, that is your website URL, add the advantage of the, just ensure you fill in all of this, create everything created, select the start time for your ad as well as your time that it will end. Then ensure you fix the budget, the amount that you'd have to spend for you to on those ads. You see them here. Then if you want to add the meta pixel, then the next thing to do is to review this. After reviewing it, go ahead and click on payments method in order to make your payment. And after that, move to the lower right corner of the screen. The publish button would have been activated. Click on it and click on published, and then you take it on that page. On this page, follow the screen instructions, and from there your ad will be created and posted. It is very, very simple. Ensure you try this out as soon as you can. Thanks for watching and have a good day.